Hi everyone, my name is Amanzi Ogbonna and this is my crash course for HTML. As you can see here in my folder, I have a setup for my HTML course. I'm going to make an HTML. So in here we have the doc type. For the doc type tells the browser what version of HTML you want to write, and this is a HTML. Inside the HTML tag we have our header. The head contains the title, and with this title you use to give your website a name, or rather the page a name. And this is the body tag. Inside the body tag, everything you put there will be seen by your user on the browser. So I'm going to live load my browser with this content so that it automatically refreshes, and in your own case you will need to be pressing the refresh button to see your changes as you make them. So this is the title. Whatever I write in my title tag will be updated on the browser. So this is first web. With the first web, let me change to last web. As you can see on the title, the last web is being updated on the browser. So whatever I type here will also be updated on the browser. So that's all for the title tag. In the body tag, this is where everything you put here will be seen by the user, or rather by your visitor. So I'm putting hi there, and you can see you have hi there on the browser. Everything in between the body tag will be shown in this view for the user. So let's try something else. Let's try headings. So this is the header 1, the first header, h1 tag. So everything I put within this h1 tag will be a big text or a heading. So let's make this heading my first heading. As you can see, the text is big and actually calling for the user. Let's make another one, which is a paragraph. This one takes its own line and it separates itself from the other content. So as you can see, it will enter another line, say my first paragraph, just like you would expect from a real paragraph. Let's try something else. See this other text. Everything you put appears on the other side. So let's try new tags. So I'm duplicating my header tags and changing it to 2 different versions. I'm making a header 2 and head tag 3. As you can see, as I increase the number, the text reduces in size. So the header tag 1 is the biggest one, the 2 is the second biggest, the 3 is the third biggest. Let's try links. With links, this is where you click on an item on the browser and it takes you to somewhere else. So we are using the A tag and the H reference to show where we're actually going with that link. So we type the content of that link before closing it with an A tag close. So I'm putting Google here. This Google text will appear on the browser, and whenever this Google text is clicked, it will go to google.com as we specified in the href. So let's change this to click here. The text changes to click here, but the link still is google.com, as you can see below. Let's try showing images. Let's try to show images. So we use the img tag to show images, and inside the img tag we specify the source, which is src, to be equals to, and we put them in quotes. We say the file name in this my case is line.png. we have it on the same folder as our HTML file, so it's going to show there. And to put this image on another line, I need to put a break tag. Now the image will be on its own line. I need to put another image, so let me separate them with another break tag. If not, they will be on the same line. So I'm making an image tag with the source, so we'll put the QR code this time. as img, then source, then we'll put the QR code.png. We have to specify the extension. If it's a JPEG, we have to put the JPEG, the JPG. So as you can see, the images show, but let's say the images are in a folder called img, and I move my images to that img. If I refresh my browser, I won't see the images anymore, and this will be confusing for the user. So to make this actually usable, I need to give an alternate text to show what should be there. So I'm going to call this line image, and for the QR code, I'm going to call it QR code image. And as you can see on the browser, the right side, whatever I type there shows. Anytime the image fails to load, you see those texts. To actually reference these images, I need to specify in the source. Since my HTML is in the same directory, I need to say from this particular location that I am using a dot, go to image folder, that's img folder, and get me this line image. Then from this location that I am, go to img and get me the QR code. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye bye.